Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, you will see how to exclude internal traffic in GA4. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is internal traffic. So for knowing internal traffic, we'll go to the official documentation of Google Analytics 4. So you can see over here, currently we are on the official doc of GA4, where we'll try to learn more about excluding internal traffic. So filter out traffic to your website from people on your corporate network. Most of the time, analytics is used to track how external customers and users interact with your website. Since internal traffic patterns are typically different from external traffic patterns, when you're reporting views contain hit data from both internal and external users of your website, it might become difficult to determine how your customers are actually interacting with your website. As an example, let's say you have an e-commerce website. Internal traffic might include stress testing that will send a large number of hits to a particular page on your website. Your reports will show a large number of hits on this page, and it will be difficult to discern how many hits came from customers and how many hits came from your stress testing. So they have given us some instructions on how to exclude internal traffic. So you can see over here, you can exclude internal traffic by a single IP address, by a subnet of IP addresses, by IPv6 addresses, and you can also use regular expressions for more complex filters. So you can go through all those options and set up uh, exclude internal traffic. So I'm gonna share this doc file in the video description so that you can exclude internal traffic easily. So let's see how we can exclude internal traffic from GA4 dashboard practically. So I'll go to the GA4 dashboard and I'm gonna click on admin section. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the data stream sections and I'll choose one of the data streams from here. Okay. So if I scroll down a little bit, then I'll have an option called configure tag settings. So I'm gonna click on this. So I'm gonna scroll down a little bit and click on this show all button. So you can see we have an option called define internal traffic. So I'm gonna click on this section and I'll click on create button. So you can see over here, I have to name a rule, like I'm gonna name it as exclude internal traffic, you know. So I'll keep traffic type value as internal, and from the IP addresses section, we have multiple options available here, like multiple mesh types. So if I click on this, then you can see over here, we have IP address equals, IP address begins with, IP address ends with, IP address contains, IP address is in range, CIDR notation, IP address meshes regular expression. So you can choose any of these mesh types. Okay. So for the time being, I'm going to choose IP address equals, then I have to put my IP over here. So for knowing my IP, I'll go to the Google and write what is my IP. Then we'll be able to find your IP address. So I'm going to copy my IP address from here and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to click on this create button. So currently this is in testing mode. So I have to activate this. Okay, so for activating, I'll go to the admin again, and then if I scroll down a little bit, then I have an option called data settings, and I can see data filters option is available here. So I'm going to click on this, and you can see over here internal traffic is on testing mode. So I'm going to click on this and I'll keep data filter name as internal traffic, filter option as exclude, and internal traffic type as internal. And from this filter state, I'll click on activate because I need to make this internal type internal IP address in activate mode. So currently it is on testing mode, so I'm going to click on active. So I'll click on save. So I'm going to click on activate filter. So you can see over here internal traffic is in activate mode right now, so yeah, that's it for this video. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can exclude internal traffic from our GA4 account or GA4 property. Yeah, hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Have a good day.